Sir, I am James Gerard Castil from BCMT3 Betelgeuse. I am here to tackle about the importance of electronic chart and ICDIS in navigation. What is ICDIS? ICDIS stands for Electronic Chart Display and Information System. It is a computer system used on ship to show electronic maps or chart that helps the crew know where the ship is, where it is going, what dangers are nearby, like rocks, shallow water, or other ships. Why ICDIS is important for safety? 1. Shows the exact position of the ship. ICDIS uses GPS to show where the ship is on the map in real time. Second is warns about danger ahead. If the ship is going near shallow water or rock, ICDIS gives an alarm. This helps prevent accidents like grounding when a ship hits the bottom. 3. Helps in poor visibility. During fog, rain, or at night, it's hard to see. ICDIS still show the map clearly, so the crew knows what's around. Fourth is helps plan safe and smart routes. Before sailing, the crew can use ICDIS to make a safe path for the ship. It shows speed, direction, and distance. Next, number 5, replaces paper chart. It saves time and is easier to update. It's also more accurate and has more features than old paper maps. In short, ICDIS helps avoid danger, travel safely, save time and fuel, follow international rules. Summary: ICDIS is like a smart map for ship. It helps the crew know where they are, avoid danger, and reach their destination safely. Thank you.